Hi, my name is Andy Parkin. I'm the Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I want to talk to you about screeding and how to get the right mix for your project. What is the right screeding mix? Well, in a nutshell, you need to make sure that the mix is properly blended in exactly the right proportion. Sounds logical? It is. It is important, though, to consider the final use of the floor and what options are available with regard to the amount of space at your location and the time you have to complete the project. Site mixing. When screeding, site mixing is an efficient way of making sure you get the right screed mix as long as the workers doing the blending are skilled. If not, it might well be worth considering using ready-mix products. However, if you are happy to go ahead and mix your own, here are some of the main methods for mixing. Mixing by hand. This is really only suitable when you are screeding small areas. Hand mixing screed is labour intensive and also hard work, and even in the most skilled hands, errors can occur, which will take its toll when it comes to the final screed quality. For bigger projects, you will need to look at some of the other mixing options. Freefall mixers. Screeders will often look at using these machines to mix the screed on site. If you are going to be screeding using general mixers, which are fluid, like general concrete, these machines are fine. However, if you are using semi-dry screeds, the machines can often produce poor quality screed mixers, which will not stand up to very much wear and tear. Forced action mixing. Forced action mixing machines are economical and also extremely efficient if you need to produce a lot of screed on site. These are great when adding other things to the mixture too, ensuring that everything is completely combined. There are two types of forced action mixers. Screed pumps. These are favoured by screeders looking to screed large areas, so you often find them where there are larger screeding projects underway. Pan mixers. These are a more portable form of forced action mixer and are really useful when screeding at smaller sites, where space is too limited to allow for larger equipment. Ready-mix screeds. Ready-mix screeds always provide a good consistent mix and are helpful for smaller sites or those where storage is a problem. Something to consider here is the logistics of getting the mix to site on time to avoid any loss of time and money. Whatever screeding mix you choose, always be sure to leave the right amount of drying time before you allow traffic on the area. The area should be kept free from all traffic for 24 to 48 hours, and heavy traffic should be banned from the area until the final flooring layer is applied. I hope this has given you some valuable insights into the mixing process. We've several other articles on screeding over on our blog. Be sure to check them out.